Guys, if you're like me, that you mistakenly send airtime, to your phone when you ought to send money, so don't be afraid. I am here to help you. I'm going to show you in this video the step-by-step process in which you can convert any amount of airtime to cash. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. So let us get started right from the beginning. Thank you. This is how you're going to convert your airtime to cash using just this website. You don't need to get an application or get yourself worried. So the first you're going to do is to click on the first link below, and this worked perfectly in 2023. Yeah, so you're watching this video in 2023. This is what you should do anytime you have an excess airtime on your phone, or you mistakenly send airtime to yourself instead of you sending cash to somebody else. So it happens a lot nowadays due to tension or whatever. So all you have to do is to click on the first link below in order to convert this airtime back to cash, so you can use it to do anything you want to do. So you click on the first link below, you'll be brought here. So all you have to do is basically click on this get started. So just click on this get started. Let me show you up here. This get started, just click on it. So when you click on this get started, it's going to go straight to the sign up. So all you have to do is just to sign up. Fill up all this sign up. It's very easy. You put in your full name, then the next option is put in your username, your preferred username, then put in the third option is put in a valid email, the fourth one is a phone number, then the fifth one is a WhatsApp number. So your phone number can also be a WhatsApp number. Just put the two. Then the next one is for you to select a state. Let's for example, I'm in Akwa Ibom. Wow, I love Akwa Ibom. Okay, let's say I'm in Akwa Ibom, for example. I'll select Akwa Ibom. Then I put in my password. I put in confirm the password and click on sign up. So they will send in call it verification email to your email they have sent. So make sure you put a valid email, guys. So all you have to do now, after I've done that, is you sign in. Automatically take you to log in so you can sign in. So let me just go into sign in. I have an account with them, so I'm going to use one of my accounts. So here I'm going to click on sign in to just sign in into my account, and I'll show you the other things you need to do. So this is a demo account. I have an active account actually, but this is a demo account. So immediately you sign in, then you see an important notification telling you that kindly know that you'll be charged a token of 100 naira. Now this 100 naira is a one-time token that is going to upgrade you from basic account to standard account. Now this is going to give you more opportunity to enjoy every features on this website. Actually, this website we're only going to use it to convert airtime to cash. So I'm going to click on noted. Now the next thing you're going to do is to actually set your transaction pin. So before you actually upgrade, set your transaction pin. So to do that, all you have to do basically is to click here. Yeah, you can see that arrow, then click here and set your transaction pin. The transaction pin is usually 4, just for a number, basically 4 numbers. Okay, just like you have it in your just like you have it in anything. Yeah, so I'm going to come here and click on transaction pin here. So as you can see, transaction pin. So I'm just going to click on it and set my transaction pin. So I'm going to input it here. So I'm going to, let's say for example, I want to use let's say 0. Okay, let me just use this. I'm going to put this. Let's say I'm going to use this as a transaction pin. So just put this, then I'm going to put in your password. So it's going to ask you for your password, then you click on save changes. So you understand? So after I put the transaction pin, click on save changes. So that is the first thing you're going to do. Or let's assume I've done that. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. So when I come back to my dashboard then I'm going to show you other things you need to do. Then now they are successfully, let's say you're successfully upgraded your transaction pin. Now you have to upgrade your account from basic to standard. So to upgrade your account, which is going to cost you just 100 naira, all you have to do is to click here to upgrade. Then you're going to click on click here to upgrade. Then for you to upgrade from basic to standard account, so for them to show that you're actually real, you need to provide just basically two things: provide your phone number and your BVN. Wow, see, they actually ask for BVN. So why BVN? So now this is their reply. We request for BVN to validate your registered account, and as well validate that the account number you want to add to you, this account truly belongs to you. So the reason why they're actually trying to get your BVN is to verify that the account you are adding to this platform belongs to you, so that because they'll actually send money to the account, we are actually convert it to cash. So you get. So basically that's all you have to do. So let me now sign into my own original account and show you things how it's been done. So I'm going to sign out from this particular account and sign into my own original account. So now I'm going to show you some other things I've done on my own account here. So yeah, now for you to convert the airtime to cash, you can see my account has been upgraded, and you can see they wrote here no restriction access. So it means that I have a full account because I've already paid 100 naira. Basically just 100 naira once, and that is it. So I'm going to click on the menu here, the menu icon up here. So when I click on the menu icon up here, this is going to pop up for me. Then beside it here, I'm going to locate convert airtime to cash. here it is, convert airtime to cash. I'm going to click on convert airtime to cash. So now I'm in this particular place, so you can see that I have done some transaction which is actually approved. You can see this, it has been approved and approved. You can see approved and approved, and I actually convert 5,000 naira, and I was giving 4,250 naira, and I actually send it to my account. So I've done quite a lot. So you can, when you click on next, you see it. Okay, now guys, so what you're going to do in able to convert your own airtime to cash, you can click on view policy here, so you can see everything. So before you actually send anything, you need to read this carefully. So the maximum amount you can send for MTN and Airtel, MTN, Airtel and 9 Mobile is the maximum is 5,000 naira at a time. Minimum is 5,000 naira at a time for maximum, and minimum is 500 naira. But for Glo, the maximum is 1,000 naira. So if you have 10,000 naira at a time, you need to be sending 1,000 naira for the 10 times. But if it's MTN, 9 Mobile and Airtel, the maximum is 5,000 naira. Sure, you understand? Hope this is well understood. Okay, guys. So this is, read through this and you are good to go. So I'm going to come down here and click on, okay, I'm just going to cancel it. So your own first time, you see proceed, then you click on I agree and that. So I'm going to cancel this, then select the network. When you select the network, let's say for example I want to convert MTN. So the MTN is going to be 85%. It means that any amount I'm putting there, I will get 85% as cash. So then the second option, you put in your phone number where the airtime is. So let's say it's on this particular phone number. So I'm just going to put it there, and I'm going to click on the amount. Let's say for example, remember that the maximum at the time is 5,000 naira, the minimum is 500 naira for MTN, Airtel and 9 Mobile. So let's say I have card of 5,000 naira, I want to convert. I'm going to click on submit. So when I click on submit, it is going to go to the next place and it's going to pop up. It's going to give me a number that I can send it to. Okay, you currently have a pending account, so there's a notification that pop up for me here, and it's because of, okay, you can see it here, and it's because of I've done one before in the beginning of the video. If you watch the video from the very beginning, you can see it here. So after you successfully put in the phone number, you click on submit, you have something like this. So let me just click on view details. So this one is going to pop up for you, and this number is going to be only valid for 20 minutes. So you have to do everything you are doing under 20 minutes, otherwise they're going to decline it. You understand? So you copy this number. Now this number may be different, it might be different, so it's important that you do this step first before you send any airtime to any number, because if you don't follow this step in this video before you send any airtime to any number, you might forfeit your card. So you understand? So make sure you stick to instruction. So you just have to copy this, then send your airtime to the number that I've given you. So immediately you send it to this place, they're going to confirm it under a few minutes, and it's going to be approved. So you're going to be approved, then your wallet is going to increase. So as you can see, for example, my own wallet price, my own wallet amount, my wallet here is just 112 naira, as you can see here. So when the amount has increased, so you have done it has now increased, I'll be able to convert all your airtime to cash, and that be sent to your wallet. So you just come back here and locate my account. So when you click on locate my wallet, then you click on locate my wallet, then the next thing you need to do is to add your account details. So if you have added your account details in the first place when you were trying to convert it from basic to standard, so you may not need to add it again. But if you have not added it before, you can just come here and add your account details. So here, just come here and click on withdraw fund. So I'm going to click on withdraw fund, so because I want to get the amount back into my own bank account. So here, and the daily limit for you to withdraw is 20,000 naira per account. So per your account is 20,000 naira you can withdraw. So I've already put in my Zenith account here, so I'm going to put the amount. So let's assume I have like 5,000 naira. Let's say I have like let me see, I have like 6,000 naira in my wallet and 800 naira. Then you put transaction pin and click on submit. So it's going to be sent to your account. As you can see here, I've successfully sent 8,509 naira. I've sent all this amount to my account and they've all been approved. So it's basically and it's simple. So guys, if you have any question on this video, you can comment, you can ask the question in the comment box. I'll be glad to answer it. So please, if you like this video, share with your friend and family. Like this video. You can also do more to this channel by subscribing if you like to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I love you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.